Alright, we're going to give you some updates on the black sheep here. As you can see, it's kind of sitting underneath the barn. We got some sheetrock and dirt rock in the back, but just want to give you some updates. Okay, glow shifts are still working pretty good. Of course, it's just island here, so not much going on. Getting a little dusty. So those still work pretty good. Just changed the color there, but you know, tack is still working fine. That old boat tack hooked up to the alternator. Got about 11,000 and some change on the countdown hour meter clock there. Cheap little radio's been doing okay. Transmission's lost the fourth gear synchro since we've been driving it a lot, so I'm parking it for the winter until I get my tranny fixed. My shifter knife rattles, that's why I don't leave it in there. I mean, when you're driving down the road it rattles, but it still holds solid and everything. I just need to silence that thing up a little better. It's just too rattly. Got my niece, some of her ashes, and she passed away on Mother's Day, got killed in an ATV accident. But as far as a headliner, this is the biggest controversy in the whole truck. Holding up solid. I mean, it's still good. Been about 3 years, no sags, nothing. It's perfect. I'm trying to give you all the way around look-see here. There's a little bit back here, not too bad. I mean, for the most part, it's holding up strong. That old method working out pretty good. The LED light in there kind of, you know, you can see how it shorts out a little bit in there, but yeah, the granny grabbers are hanging in there strong for my wife. Going outside now. Still working on that dent. That'll be another time. Lights are all holding up on the running boards that I made. My homemade running boards. Grill's still holding up pretty good, other than where it normally cracks all the time. From where you're leaning into it, but the plastic dip is coming off. I'm eventually going to wrap this thing with some fibercarb as soon as I get some freer time, but all my cracks are good. I mean, it's popping loose a little bit, but the cracks are still holding up in the light area. Powder coating's kind of fading on the front bumper there. We'll redo that later again. Bird crapped on my hood and started weakening it there when I had it parked underneath the barn. Have to fix it. We're putting a power wagon bird basket on it anyways eventually. But yeah, all the lights are doing good. Put a fuel tank in so I can fuel up my equipment around here. Got my backhoe way up there and a crane. But anyways, my son gave me his tires, nice of him, but I got to get new tires. I'll keep them on them wheels. Upgraded to some better headlights. These things are a lot brighter than those halos I used to have on there. But everything's holding up. Mirrors are still holding up good after I stripped all the chrome and just rattle can those. This truck is a work truck, man. Had it since 1994. We use it. It's not a trailer queen, not a pavement princess. We do a lot of four-wheeling out here on the front 40. But notice that headliner. It looks nice. Still holding up good and strong. I think the only reason it's not back there is because I put some Gorilla Tape in some cracks and it didn't stick to the Gorilla Tape very good. But shifter we had to weld. My brother had to weld it for me. I broke it off. So he fixed that for me. Other than that, it's kind of a little pigsty right now. Of course, we use it for work every day. Console's holding up good and strong. Yeah, with over 300,000, you know, that odometer is wrong, because you know how these speedos go off and on. But yeah, it's definitely got over 300,000. And the synchros are going out now in 4th gear. So we're gonna park it till summer and take it out and work on it then. Right now we're just gonna park it for the winter underneath the barn and give it a rest for a while. So anyways, update on the black sheep.